Hello students, in this video we will learn basic preparation for SAT exam, the SAT exam strategies and the question paper pattern for the SAT exam. So basically in SAT you'll be having two modules, so module 1 and module 2. So it is an adaptive method of examination, so where the questions the module 2 depends on the way you answer for the module 1. Like the module 1 will have 22 questions and module 2 will have 22 questions. So each for each module exam you will be having 35 minutes, so total examination duration is 70 minutes. So also be given the facility of using Desmos. So this is a graphic calculator, so you can put the equations and you'll get the graph, and also you'll get the values, and you can find the solutions of many graphs here. So now let us come to the point of discussion of the syllabus, how the different topics are being weighted for SAT exam preparation. So we have majorly four like categories. So first is algebra. It is almost like 35% of the questions you can expect from the algebra. So it has the subtopics like linear equations, linear functions, system of linear equations, and linear inequalities. And then coming to advanced maths, you'll be expecting questions based on equivalent expressions, non-linear equations. And then this is also 35% of weightage it holds. Then coming to geometry and trigonometry, it just holds 15%, where you will be expecting questions on the triangle and trigonometry, lines and angles, and area and volumes. And finally we have problem solving and data analysis, even that consists of 15%, and where the rates, ratios, percentages, and the probability. So this is the overall categorization of different topics for science exam preparation. Okay, so now let us coming to first topic, let us have a brief understanding of linear equations. So in linear equations we deal with the straight lines, right? Linear, because we know any linear equation means an equation where the power of the variable is 1, the highest power of the variable is 1. So this is a linear equation, y equals to ax plus b. So this always gives a straight line in the graph. So this is a line in the graph of this equation. So if I write in the general terms which we use in our textbooks, that is y equals to mx plus c. So where m is nothing but slope, and c is y-intercept. So now we can analyze the different equations, set of linear equations based on some kind of conditions. So like if two equations have to be solved, like I have, this is one equation and I have another equation. So now we know that these two equations coincide at this point. So this is the solution of these two equations. It means it is having a solution, it is having a one point where it is coinciding. So this is called a single solution for two equations. But in the case, if I have two lines which are parallel, it means there is no solution. So for no solution, the slopes must be same, but the y-intercept is different, because this is like c1 and this is like c2. This is c2 here, and this is c1. So y, so m1, so m1 equals to m2, slope is same, but this intercept is different. But when the slope is different, so when the slope is different, there is only one solution. So this is one solution. So, but if this line is having same slope and also same intercept, so the two lines are actually coinciding, they are same, like lying on the same line. That's why the y-intercept is also same, c1 equals to c2, and same the slope is also same. So these are the three conditions here. So first condition, the infinite solution m1 equals to m2 and c1 equals to c2, and second condition, slopes are same but the intercept are different. So in that case, this is a parallel line, so there is a two lines are parallel, there is no solution. And the third option, third condition, where m1 is not equals to m2, so this is the case here, there is only single solution. So let's solve a question based on this. So here is a question. 11t minus 5 minus 4t is equals to minus 12 plus 70 plus 7. Which of the following best describes the solution set of the equation shown above? So there are four options here. So the equation has exactly one solution at t equals to 0. The equation has exactly one solution, t equals to 5 by 7. The equation has infinitely many solutions. The equation has no solutions. So let us solve this question. So let us simplify this, both the sides. 11t minus 5 minus 4t is equals to minus 12 plus 7 plus 7. So now after simplifying this, 11t minus 4t, I'll get 70. So then minus 5 is equals to, so we have 70 here, and minus 12 plus 7, I'll get minus 5. So we have same equations both the side, like we have, this is a like y, I can call it as y1, and we have y2. So y1, I have y1 equals to y2. It's like, if you see here, in this case, this is a slope m1, and this is a slope for m2, and this is a y-intercept for first line, that is c1, and this is the y-intercept for second line, this c2. So we have, if you see, observe, so y1 m1 equals to m2, m1 equals to m2, and c1 equals to c2. So for this, this condition suits for this is basically infinitely many solutions, because both slope and the intercepts are same. So the answer is C, the equation has infinitely many solutions. So like this, to learn more such questions on SAT and also more topics, please subscribe the channel and also follow me. Thank you.